everyone. It's so good to see all of you here. It's good that you have started. It's good to see a lot of people here, and we have just started. So let's enjoy this Christmas party together.
First of all, nagpapasalamat tayo siyempre sa taas, Panginoon. Salamat kay Luigi, sa partner ko, kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala ako sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon. So, he's my mentor, my brother, and my family. So, sana sa inyong lahat, be good. And alam niyo naman, si 747, napaka-bait po ni 747. Let's do our job, be the best. Lahat po yan ay pagkakaloob sa inyo. Alam ko naman, lahat naman tayo, we start from rag to riches. And then, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy po. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy, enjoy.